Today, we're going to be upgrading T12 fluorescent 4-foot bulbs to LED. Alright, I'm going to be upgrading the garage lights from T12 fluorescent 4-foot bulbs to LED bulbs. Now, there's some things you need to know. First of all, the reason I want to upgrade is save electricity, get better quality light, and more light, and the light stays constant all the time. What happens with the T12s, fluorescent bulbs, is they tend to flicker, especially when it's colder out, and I don't like the quality of light I get out of these, and over time, they get dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. The problem with these LED lights is you got two things to consider. You got to consider your ballast, what type of ballast you have, which is going to dictate what type of LED bulb you're going to use. Now, the ones I'm replacing have electronic quick start ballast, so it's going to take an LED bulb like this one here that's going to run on the electronic ballast. A lot of the Philips bulbs, the T12 LED replacement bulbs, will only run on magnetic ballast. So before you spend your money on an LED bulb for your 4-foot fluorescents, whether they're in your garage or workshop, make sure the bulb's compatible, because if it ain't, you're going to put a brand new bulb in and it's going to burn out. Now, to replace these bulbs, once you have the right bulb, take out the old fluorescent bulbs and you're just going to put in the new LED bulb. Alright, so first thing you want to do is obviously shut the power off. Take the bulbs out one at a time. Put the LED bulbs in. Turn the power on. Yeah, it looks like shit, man. Alright, so we have a major fail. Obviously, you can see these bulbs are junk. They don't work in the electronic ballast. Turn it off. Turn them on. That's all you get for light. So major fail. Thumbs down. Anyway, put the old bulbs back in. I'm afraid I'm going to have to try and just get an LED fixtures for the garage to save money on power and to get a better quality light. The Feet Electric 4-foot LED is supposed to replace T8 and T12 fluorescent bulbs. Does not work. Well, it doesn't work in these electronic ballasts. And this actually does state instant full brightness, direct replacement for T8, T12 fluorescent bulb lamps. And it does say operates with existing electronic or magnetic ballast. And obviously it doesn't work. Your best bet is to replace the whole fixture if you want to go LED. I was looking at some fixtures, they're not that expensive, but actually you can get a couple of fixtures just a few bucks more than the bulbs themselves. So this is a fail. I can't find LED bulbs to fit the electronic ballasts that actually work as advertised. So big thumbs up, 2 thumbs down on the fluorescent LED bulbs for the T12s. I haven't found any that work. Now without modification to the lights.